Alright, here I am again. Let's see if I can get this to save. I'm just trying to show you how to, today, how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube video for free, right on Capcut. So here we are in Capcut. We want to click New Project. As you can see, I've already completed one because what I did the first time did not save. And so, y'all see nothing. Yeah, y'all seen nothing yet. So here we are. And we're going to look for some stock images. We're going to look for one that's pretty nice. That's the one I just used, I believe. So we're going to start with an image. And I used a Capcut logo, which goes there now. Okay. We got to get this shrunk down to size, moved in a position where we want it. And then I'm going to import from device, my own face. We're going to shrink that down. Oh my gosh, what is going on here? We'll shrink that down to a size that we want. And I want to remove the background on that. Pretty complete. I guess that does the job right there. We're going to go to text and effects. So we want to find something that's not pro because that's the pay service. So here we got this. Come on. How to make great thumbnails with Capcut. Yeah. How to make great thumbnails with Capcut. No, not really. think we're going to leave the text where it is, and all that. Once you're done with that, the thumbnail is the simple part. You just clip it out, and it comes out to perfect size. As counterintuitive as it seems, it really does. Once you can get Windows to work. To make its magic the way it's supposed to instead of what it wants to. There it is. We'll have to cut this out. Here it comes. You want to save this to downloads. Trick for YouTube. Always make sure that your thumbnail is got all your keywords in it. Make sure that your video that you capture, the file name has all your keywords in it. It'll help you get found in search. And I'll close this all up, and as you see, here's the thumbnail we just made. Perfect size for, well, this one's a little messed up, but I forgot to get rid of that. But we can fix that in a wink. We don't have to keep that. We can go back up here. We can force Windows to behave again. Sometimes. There it is. No. Why is it doing this to me? Let's get Windows to do what it should. Alright, you just snip that out like I showed you before. Make sure you snip it all out. We're going to open that up. We are going to save to downloads where I want it. How to make thumbnails with Capcut. Save it. There. Show you where I saved it. Looks better. All done. Definitely big as the thumbnail needs to be. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you give us a like and a follow. Share our content. And you learn something. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.